Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase a book in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. And here, let's say we want to listen to a book that we like. Let's say it's 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. Let's tap on this. Here we can look at the overview of the book, and here now it's there's an option to listen to this with a free trial, or we can buy the book for £17. Let's say we want to buy the book, and first we have to add the payment method. Here we can enter our card data and delivery lines. Then tap on add a new payment, and then we can check out, just as in any online purchase. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.